A diet lacking the right nutrients can seriously affect the brain to the point of causing some serious diseases, from depression and anxiety disorders to Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease. Can a vegan diet provide all the nutrients the brain needs to function properly? And what happens in the brain after 3 days, 1 week, or a month of eating vegan? That's what we're going to find out in the next few minutes. The brain is a complex organ that plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, and understanding how our dietary choices can influence its function is important. It relies on a delicate balance of neurotransmitters, chemicals that facilitate communication between brain cells. Certain nutrients play a vital role in the production and regulation of these neurotransmitters, and a vegan diet can provide these nutrients in abundance, such as omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, such as DHA and EPA, are essential for brain health. While they are commonly associated with fish, plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are rich in these beneficial fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to the formation of cell membranes in the brain and support overall cognitive function. Antioxidants. A vegan diet is typically rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, which are abundant sources of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells. By including a wide variety of colorful plant-based foods in our diet, we can nourish our brain and enhance its resilience. B vitamins, including folate, niacin, and B12, are crucial for brain health and function. Folate, found in leafy greens and legumes, aids in the production of neurotransmitters, while B12, which is primarily present in fortified plant-based foods or supplements, plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the nervous system. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, supports energy metabolism in the brain. What happens after 3 days of eating vegan? Within just a few days of adopting a vegan diet, the brain starts to undergo changes. One notable change is the increased production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood and promoting feelings of well-being. The abundance of plant-based foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid precursor to serotonin, contributes to this positive effect. After a week on a vegan diet, the brain continues to benefit from the absence of certain harmful compounds found in animal products. For instance, a vegan diet is typically low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can clog arteries and impede blood flow to the brain. By avoiding these substances, the brain experiences improved blood circulation and oxygen delivery, which enhances cognitive function. By the 1-month mark, the brain's adaptation to a vegan diet becomes more apparent. Studies have shown that individuals following a plant-based diet exhibit lower levels of inflammation in the body, including the brain. Reduced inflammation is associated with improved cognitive function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The changes that occur in the brain as a result of a vegan diet can have profound effects on the body as a whole. For instance, improved mental clarity. With enhanced neurotransmitter production, improved blood flow, and reduced inflammation, individuals often report experiencing increased mental clarity and focus. They may find it easier to concentrate on tasks, solve problems, and retain information. Enhanced mood and emotional well-being. The increased production of serotonin, coupled with the absence of harmful compounds found in animal products, can lead to an improvement in mood and overall emotional well-being. Many people report feeling happier, calmer, and more balanced after adopting a vegan diet. Reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The combination of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and reduced inflammation in a vegan diet can help protect the brain against neurodegenerative diseases. By following a plant-based lifestyle, individuals may lower their risk of developing conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Check out this next video to discover the top omega-3 rich foods you can eat on a vegan diet to further improve brain health.